we got some hot drops today. So I don't know if you see on the back here, I know you see the Sen 450, but we have not only the Knights Customs Terra Recon body, or kit actually, we also have the brand new Axial SCX10 trailer. So this came out, I just picked this thing up, which is very cool. So figured I'd show you guys a new trailer from Axial and show you guys my new build that I just got finished doing actually. So this is the brand new Knight Customs Terra Recon. It's a full kit, and you can actually pick this up from Amain Hobbies if you guys are interested. This is actually for the Vanquish H10 Optic. Alright guys, stay tuned, and I'll show you guys the first run of this truck and a few of my other builds I'm actually working on. So I got some hot drops. Stay tuned guys. Let's go. Alright guys, I'll show you guys what's underneath the hood. Alright, we got a supercharged LS V8. And pardon me guys, it's not perfect. It looks good. It does look good. Thank you very much guys. But you know, for me it's not perfect. But this is my first time actually doing a 3D printed body and interior, and obviously the motor and everything else like that, details and stuff. So, you know, I definitely give myself some props for doing a decent job or a good job. But, you know, I know for the next project, it definitely will come out looking a lot cleaner. Again, this is clean, but, you know, I know I can get it a lot cleaner than this. And, you know, that'll be my goal for the next build. So I do have one more Optic H10 from Vanquish. It's another kit, and I have something in the works for that. So stay tuned guys. Like I said, Rockside RC, we're always doing something over here, so definitely stay tuned guys. All right guys, we're running a brand new body or kit actually from Knight Customs. This is their Terra Recon kit. You could actually order this kit from Amain Hobbies if you are interested. It comes in white, which is unfinished, that's the one that I actually picked up. So this is Tamiya light gunmetal gray actually guys, which I think came out fantastic actually. And this kit is specifically for the H10 Vanquish Optic. And it gives you two options. It's either a long wheelbase, which this is, or they give you the short wheelbase option also, which they give you all the, I guess, templates and everything else to make that happen, if that's what you want to do. You have to order different links to make that happen also, but it looks good also. Oh, bottomed out. Oh. Move over a little bit more. There we go. Freaking bugs are terrible over here, guys. Nice. Video today. Today we're checking out the new Rock Pirates RC chassis. So I wanted to stay with a Traxxas body to go with the Traxxas build. Basically, we did go with the Traxxas body, obviously the Traxxas transmission, but we did also actually do something different. So let's check it out. We're testing out today the Eco Power steering servo. Also, I don't know if you guys can actually see that, but the steering servo is on the axle. So we're running a SOA, and we're running Vanquish axles, portal axles to be exact. All right, from the VS410. We're running a Fusion 8. As you can see, this is the Traxxas transmission. We are running Desert Lizard shocks all the way around. This is the chassis from Rock Pirates RC. Just to show you guys real quick. All right, let's hit the trails. Let's take a quick look at the Blazer real quick. Nice, guys. Nice. Very nice. Can we make it? Nice. Hopefully we can stay tight to the log right here. It looks like it's starting to push me off to the passenger side, but yeah, there we go. Cut a little tight. Yep, there we go. Oh man. Backing up just a tad bit. There we go. Nice. Nice, guys. This thing's a monster. All right, let's test out the flex on this thing. See how it looks. See how it performs. Do we have the clearance? Oh man. Let's see. Maybe I can get that left tire up a little higher. Ooh. See if I can. Yeah, there we go. Swing that body in there like that. Nice. There, guys. Ooh. I think the slipper is slipping. I don't want to bump it too hard. See? Yeah, the slipper's slipping. There we go. Alright. See, that's why we're doing the testing today, to see what's going on with this truck. It's the first time I've ever driven this truck, so Nice. So far, so good. Nice. Alright guys, hopefully everybody enjoys your day, your family, your friends, and you already know whatever RC car you guys have. It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC. Woo! Rockside out.